Hey, I'm gonna sing Hollow by Beyonce. Again. Shut up. Boy, I wish the coffee was here. Remember those walls of blue, but we were coming down. They didn't even put a line. They didn't even make a sound. Found a way to let you in. And child, said no. Kinda angel I don't have. And I've been waking. Where the been taken. Never gonna shut you out. What I'm looking at. Surrounded by your breath. Maybe I can you might promise me alright. I love you, babe. Maybe I can feel your hands on. Pray it won't fade away. This one's long. Addicted to your love. Before I never again. But you don't be you can't forget. Come to the ground again. They've been away again. I know you have to take care. And you can make it. I'm gonna shut you out. I talked to her. Maybe I can say hello. I don't want to say the word hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Everything I'm looking for, running for you. Baby, I can see it. Bye. Thanks for watching.